Namaste Mitro, Kem Cho Majama. Welcome back to our channel Riddhi Nagda. And today is Janmashtami. So I live in an area called Juhu in Mumbai, which is very near to ISKCON temple. And ISKCON temple has so big celebration. So we are going to try and see what is going around near ISKCON temple. I'll show you all the crowd, the craziness, everything, you know. So like tonight at 12 o'clock there's going to be Krishna Janam. So there's a lot of people who are going to be waiting in the queue and everything. So come with me. It's going to be chaotic vlog, but you're going to enjoy. Plus I'll try to cover some other things if I can spot. So come with me. Guys, मेरे साथ मम्मा और वैभू भी है. Are you all excited to explore the crowd?
Yes.
My God, people are already crowded from here. Like the roads are jam-packed. Already 1 kilometer away from the ISKCON temple. Like people are taking U-turns from here because, you know, the vehicles are not being allowed to go ahead. So guys, I'm walking towards ISKCON and we have decided that we're not going inside for the darshan. We're just going to explore from outside and let's see. Vaibhav, have you ever gone for Janmashtami darshan at ISKCON?
No.
I have gone once. One of my uncle had some VIP passes, but still we had to wait for 3 hours in VIP pass. So imagine general public pass, it's going to be crazy. And there is like so much pushing and so much of like, you know, crowd just rushing through. You hardly get a glimpse of the God.
Yeah.
So
Same like even when you go during like Ganesh Chaturthi, even at like big Ganpati Pandit.
yeah, like Lal Bagh.
Barely few seconds to actually do the darshan. So
You can see there's a lot of crowd. There's a lot of police. Good security. The shoe racks are already from here only. Because nothing more, like beyond this, it's not allowed to wear shoes if you want to go to the temple. So this is the whole entrance towards the ISKCON. So if you can see, that is gate 3 entry, that's Janmashtami visitor darshan. Gate 1 and gate 2A is like live patron, special darshan, pass holders and all. So I remember I had gone into the gate 2 wala entry when I had gone. So you can see all these entries are already been made. So gate 3, which is the regular ones, are from here and footwears are not allowed beyond this part if you're taking the line. So you can keep the footwears over here for free. This is all the line over here. If you see these barricades and all, tomorrow after the Krishna Janam, which is going to happen at tonight, there's going to be so huge line, you have no idea. This will go up till at least Amitabh Bachchan bungalow and all. Maybe like 1.5 kilometer long line. Already the lines have started from here. Such a cute baby Krishna. It's 9:30 right now. 9:30 right now and the line is already this much. And 12 o'clock in the night there is going to be the Krishna Janam. So lines are going to get crazier. At the crowd over here. Look at it.
oh my God, look at that.
How's the crowd? My brother's busy. How's the crowd?
Too good.
Too good crowd? Big business?
No, not that much.
Not that much? No business. That's my brother. His shop is right opposite ISKCON temple. So if you come here, tell him hi. Guys, now we can see the ISKCON temple. All the beautiful lighting. That's so pretty. Wait, let me zoom. So the visitor queue, you to enter from here. Look at the time. This is the main entrance from where the VIP entry and everything is happening. So these people who will enter from here, they will come out from like Croma, like from behind side, which is from Utpal Sangvi, Croma ke samne. Maybe somewhere between Croma, Juhu PVR, somewhere from there. If I can find out that, I will show you all that also. Kalash donors, invitees. This is the gate 1. Gate 2 and gate 2A and 2B is from this side. Visitors gate and all. So guys, हम लोग यहाँ पे अम्बोली में हैं. अम्बोली दही कला पथक. So the group is called Amboli Dahi Kala Pathak, and these guys are going to break this handi now. They're going to make a 7-tier, pyramid, and this is going to be exciting because I am also watching a dahi handi getting broken after a long time. So for people who don't know, this is like a pot full of curd and butter, basically what Krishna Bhagwan used to love, and these people are going to be making pyramid and getting ready. So this group, all of them are getting ready, like tying up their supports and everything. There is music stage. There's a lot of people also waiting to see. So I am quite excited. Vaibu, are you excited?
Very much.
It's fun, na?
Yeah.
After a long time we are seeing this, so.
I know it's been a while.
And look what rain made us do. All have got one tree. Sab khade reh gaye. And he's only one who doesn't care. And the people are coming in the ground. And it has started. Finally, people are coming up. Let's go. One, two, three, four, 5. Practicing different heights and levels also. One by one they'll do, and they will go up till like maybe 7 levels. Already you all have seen 5 levels, so I'm excited for 7 levels. Like these guys also strategically they made a human ladder and climbing one by one. And then there was this tiny boy who went up the top and then raised his hand completely free. That was so cool.
Yeah, they were all so in sync, like they knew at what point who is supposed to do what.
Yeah. So apparently these people have been practicing for 1 month now.
Damn.
Every night.
That's dedication.
I know, right?
धन्यवाद भाऊ आपण इथे आल्याबद्दल. दरवर्षीप्रमाणे आपलं मार्गदर्शन झालं नाही तर आम्हाला चैन पडणार नाही. आपलं मार्गदर्शन मोलाचं असतं.
हे सगळ्यात महत्त्वाचं दहीहंडीचं म्हणजे तुम्ही जिंकल्यासारखी जी गोष्टी करायची असतात त्याच्यासाठी हे एकवटलेलं जे प्रेम आहे ते जर एकत्र असेल तर तुम्ही चांगल्या चांगल्या दहीहंडीवर आपलं वर्चस्व गाजवू शकता.
आणि सर्व YouTube लाईव्ह चालू आहे तिथे पण जागा ठेवा.
So right now they are trying to start the girls group for next year. So this year just a foundation they are going to make and start it.
आमच्या महिलांचे पहिले 3 तर बोला जागेला बाबा की बजरंग बली की.
Just foundation.
अरे वा गुड गुड गुड. चला धन्यवाद. छान
असते की कोण आंबोली नाही गाला पथक ठाण्याला नाही तर प्रत्येक ठिकाणी गाजवणारा पथक आम्हाला एक शान आहे आमची अंधेरीची आंबोली नाही गाला पथक.
So guys, I think they're going to make the whole 7 tires and like people are literally standing in the queue. Like if you can see यहाँ पे people are standing in the queue. This side also people are standing in the queue. And they're strategizing everything. And it started. Strategy time. Time out. Half time. के बैठ गए. चढ़ वो लोग रहे और थक हम रहे हैं.
We are supporting. We are taking all of the time.
आगे साहेबांना आम्ही विनंती करतो मार्गदर्शन पर आम्हाला शब्द बोलावे.
अरे बोल बजरंग.
Hopefully this is the final one.
1 2 3 2 1. थांब आरामात उठेल. थांब साहिल समीर घाई करायची नाही. रिलॅक्स मध्ये उठायचं.
So here you all can see they are attempting to make a 7-tire pyramid, and that little boy on the top is just 12 years old. That is so cool. The strategy, the making, everything. And oh shit, he fell down. But don't worry guys, they are completely safe. There are people waiting to hold them down. So this was a successful attempt for 7 tires pyramid, and they will strategically come down also. And it's time for celebration. पापा और उसकी मम्मी अपना गया. Oh, it's finally happening.
आपल्याला असं वाटत नाही दहीहंडीतल्या मुलांचा आवाज वाढलाय दहीहंडीच्या मुलांचा आवाज वाढला असं वाटत नाही काय पाच
बोन आणि रंजित बरं.
दोन्ही हंडीच्या पाया पडत
Here they have made a successful 5 pyramid tower, and now they are going to break the handi, that is the pot. And wait a minute, did he just break it with his head? Rewind. He held the pot, he's getting a good grip, and bang with his head. Wow. So here we are back in Juhu past midnight, and you can see people are coming out of darshan. As I told you all, after ISKCON darshan, you come out from backside. This is the gate. From backside you come from the Utpal Sangvi school ground, which is right opposite the Chroma electronics shop you can see over here. And it started raining. You can see a lot of people are still going for the darshan, and this is going to continue full night over there, and the police and everybody is giving amazing duty, so y'all can also visit. So guys, I'm sure y'all have seen all the craziness behind Janmashtami in Mumbai, from people going for darshan, from dahi handi, everything. This was just day one. Tomorrow is Gokulashtami, which means more such troops will be going to different places to break those pots, and it's crazy scenes. But yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Until then, goodbye and thank you.